Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to use the for each method in JavaScript, which is one of the ways for looping through arrays. But before we begin, if you want to learn more about web development, subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell so when I upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, now consider that we have this array of numbers in our code, and for example, when we want to print the elements of the array to the console, the classic for loop can be used. And here on the right side, we can see the already printed elements by using the for loop. We can also do the same by using the for each method. It also loops through the array, but it works differently, and I would like to show this in this video. First of all, the for each method is a built-in function, and we can call it directly by attaching to the array, like my numbers dot for each. And what it does is that it passes a callback function to each element of the array. So let's define our function here. Function. This is an anonymous function, by the way, which means that a function without a name. Now this function must take at least one parameter which will represent the value of the current array element, of each current array element. So let's give a name, like my number, and then let's log this to the console. And as we can see, the for each method looped through the array and printed the elements just the same as the classic for loop, but in a different way. Now the function can also take additional parameters, one for the index numbers for each item and another for the array itself. What here important is that they are both optional, so you must give one parameter for each element, but you don't have to give the other two if you don't need to use them. But still, I would like to show the usage, so let's add here an index parameter and assign them to their elements. Now we can also see the index numbers of each element. And finally, let's try the third parameter. Let's clear this one and call the array parameter here. Alright, as we can see, this time the array gets printed 5 times because the array has 5 elements. If you prefer, you can also write this function as an arrow function, which simplifies the code much better. Let me change this to an arrow function. And this also works. So this is how we can use the for each method in JavaScript. I hope you guys find the video useful, and if you do, please hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can share it with more people. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.